What's up, awesome interns? It's Josh, and I thought today I would just take an opportunity to share with you what our setup's going to look like when we do the interviews at the colleges. I'm at a community college right now, Coastline Community College, and I'm doing a very similar project for them, only with faculty members. And I happen to have the exact setup here that we will be using in the class. So I thought that it would be a good opportunity for me to share that with you.
But this is going to be our setup, not necessarily in a green screen studio, but we may be in a green screen studio. It doesn't really matter because we just need a black backdrop. So let me show you what we have here. So I'm bringing with
3 LCD lights by Generay.
These are going to be bicolor, so we set them usually at 4400K.
And what's really nice about these is I can dim them to be any setting I would want them to be,
Up to insanely bright.
to not so bright. We have a 3 light setup.
So I will put the subject in that chair right there, and I have 2 front lights, 1, 2, and then the rear light behind them there, the hair light. Then I have 2 cameras. So we have, in this case, 2 5D Mark IIIs, which is I think the same cameras we're going to use when we do our shoot. You can see I don't have my Osmo Mobile on me right now. This is kind of spur of the moment. But that's one. I've got a 70 to 200 on it. I wish I had a subject on there I could show you. Actually, I could probably just show you what we've been shooting all day. So it's about, obviously you can't tell from that, but that's about the framing that we have here. So that's going to be our close-up shot. And then this is going to be our wide. I have this exact same camera with a 24 to 107 on it. And it looks like it's at around 55, 70. At this proximity, that looks about like that. So we're a little bit wider on that angle there. Show you maybe a different person there. You can kind of see all the different teachers I've been working with today as I scroll through. That's a different sheet. On top of there, we have a Zoom audio recorder, which is got a single wireless pack plugged into it. On the subject, we then have the other wireless pack. This is the extremely dirty chair that they gave me, which I haven't taken a good look at until just now, and frankly now I don't know if I want to sit in it again. But anyways, wireless mic lapel right here goes on the subject, and that's pretty much the setup that we have for a single person with a black backdrop. And it's the same black backdrop that we're going to bring. Last thing I can show probably,
When I'm actually doing the filming in here, at least, I don't know if it makes much of a difference on this camera, but I've got the room lights
off, so yeah, you can't really tell that much here. And then when we have the cameras on, we make it look a little bit darker than it is in the room, so the black backdrop looks nice and dark. So just thought I'd share that with you guys since I happen to be here and I have the setup completely set up. 2 cameras, 3 lights, and audio with a black backdrop. If you have any questions, let me know.